Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. You can change the aspect ratio of your video in DaVinci Resolve by changing the project's timeline resolution. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to open your DaVinci Resolve and make sure you already have clip under the timeline. And the next is what you need to do is you need to click under this timeline in the top. Over here, simply right click on it and click onto this timelines. So over here under the timeline, you need to go to this timeline settings. So over here, under this timeline setting, here you can find this timeline resolution. So firstly, you need to deselect this use project setting. Over here, once you select that, what you can do is simply you need to click onto this timeline resolution here and you can select the resolution that you prefer for it. And that is it. And after that, you can simply select OK. And this is how you can change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.